Today in St. Aug with Q, we're going to head over to a new community called Beach Walk. Beach Walk is in St. Johns County on the east side of 95 at exit 329. Now this is a beautiful community, and it's a beach living without even being at the beach, really. It's not at the beach. They have a Crystal Lagoon, which is 14 acres, which is a man-made lagoon. It has everything that you could possibly want, just like being on vacation. There is a tube slide combo water slide that lets out right to the lagoon. And then while you're in the lagoon, there is a swim-up bar. There is a restaurant that is right on property at the clubhouse. And as you can see, it's just so beautiful. You feel like you're on vacation every single day. There's 4 different builders that are currently in Beach Walk. The houses start from the mid-200s to up and over $1 million, from single-family homes to the duplex homes. You can see them there. Those duplexes are right on the water so that it looks just like a beach community. There's even townhouses in the community. And if you need to feel on vacation, so do your puppies, because there's a full puppy park. It's a splash park for the puppies, a place for them to run around. You can turn the water on. They can get cooled off and enjoy a day at the puppy park. There are tennis courts, beautiful amenities all throughout this community. So let's go take a look and see at the homes. This is still being built. As you can see, there's a lot of construction going on. The homes here have tin style roofs, which gives it that very coastal feel. The community here is also a gas community. A lot of the communities and neighborhoods in Florida are all electric, but this particular community is gas. Nice size rooms in this particular home. Even though the lot sizes are a little small, you can see from here the lanai takes up pretty much the whole lot, but you can put plenty of room for a pool. They really made this nice. They put a little sitting area there. You can put your table outside and enjoy your coffee in the morning and overlook the pond. Now this is really nice. You have to say, I live in the house. Where do I do the laundry? So they have an upstairs laundry room, sink, place to hang your clothes, a window, which is always nice to get air in the laundry. There's cabinets, a folding area, and even a storage closet. And the storage closet even has a window, which is nice. You have those Christmas decorations, or you have, winter clothes. We have winter clothes here in Florida. Winter clothes or some extra things that you need to storage, and at least you have a window there to air out the closet air space. A lot of the homes have this extra little half garage, and that's for your golf cart, because this is a golf cart community. And right across the street is a brand new Publix Plaza. They're gonna have some retail shopping there, and it looks like on the end there's even gonna be a restaurant. So if you or anyone you know is thinking about purchasing a home in St. Augustine, send us an email, insansaugwithq@gmail.com.